now being with the AI, I am still a student, I can say.
In a world where technology moves faster than textbooks, education needs more than chalk and talk. It needs vision. "15 visionary school leaders from across India, responsible for shaping over 15,000 young minds, came together not just to learn about AI, but to reimagine how it can reshape the future of learning." Leading them was Mr. Willibrord George, an educator, a futurist, and a mentor to mentors.
It's been a wonderful day. We have learned so much, and we just feel very energized and motivated to go back. Like you said, take these trainings with our teachers, make them more empowered, so that the knowledge that we have gained today goes to larger audience and it has some kind of a positive impact on the educational sector.
And it didn't stop there. At B.K. Birla School, over 200 educators gathered, turning curiosity into capability.
Never knew the vast, the immense possibilities that are possible with ChatGPT. And I'm learning so many things that I'm super excited about all the learning that's happening in this session.
It was very exciting. The best part was when Sir was talking to the AI tool, and it was really getting, so many information.
Like the amount of things I've done with it is just like, when I come and take these workshops, I do it out of genuine love and enthusiasm because I just want to share all the amazing possibilities that you guys can do. It can change your life.
From thinking skills to AI tools, from lesson planning to classroom intelligence, this was a revolution in the making. Because when teachers are empowered, classrooms evolve. And when schools embrace the future, students thrive. AI isn't replacing education, it's redefining it. And this is just the beginning.